Because when him come down and sit all inside the paper, I never do want to prolong the argument, but people are get it wrong. When I get it wrong, him have feelings, but I have feelings too. And analyze so whenever did I have sex, and he knows somebody did have sex with other man, because I did have sugar daddy. I did have sugar daddy, I did have my personal man. Plus we did do road. So I know, and he knows somebody that work at club, he know everything, because I not hide nothing from him. I not hide nothing from him. He knows somebody that work. He know what I do for hustle, everything.
Alright, so yo, them thing ya. Hey, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So, who don't know Skillibeng? If you don't know Skellybang, let me introduce you to Skillibeng. He's one of the hottest artists right now in the dancehall reggae music space. Okay, the man name just boom, blew out of the stratosphere and it just big right now. A theme time now. Or he is one of the people who is his time now. Right? So here's a little something from Skillibeng.
Give me a mad feeling, but the grenade great. With the grab a leaf, send me go a place where gravity no exist. My love stay there. I blast like torpedo, my flow to my soul like magneto. So me no watch people. Yeah, lip you like evil by doing good, I'm here for a reason. Very special mafia, descendant mighty, them is regular, take your temperature. You cannot touch a link much as you bend and no discussion for attention, then a dead man right.
Him get jacket from a girl when did a deal with blah blah blah. She has put out a video explaining her side of the story. See Fiar side of the story here.
Him never get no jacket, him take the jacket. Him know everything we are going. Everybody attack like say him never know. Him know everything we are going. Me never pin down no baby pan here. Him pin it down pan himself. But you always accustom say him nah come round. So I give him the baby willingly the day. Him take out my baby, give him the baby bag and everything. Him walk up on the gully. He never come in on a car. Him walk on the gully and then when he reach on the gully, him bring my baby. That time that him grandfather drive and then bring my baby to do DNA test without me knowing. When him never bust, him did a walk and tell people say me and baby mother, and when him bust, show him no want me bring down him career and mash up him career and we are the bad person. Him not tell nobody no more and keep it as a secret. And it could have do different. Them say if me make YouTube about this, them are gonna bring me down. When they can't bring me down after this, me not make nobody hold down my mouth and make me not talk. I go talk because me never dealt with him when him bust. Me dealt with him before him bust. I'm no business about for him fame. Me him could have do it better. Him could have do it different. And another thing I'm gonna talk about, when I just have baby, he was the second one to come visit me. I give my son a full name, and he begged me down the hospital to change the baby name to Emma Ali Warmington. I said no. He cussed me and tell me say to change the name. So I go to the woman and say, Miss, you can change the name? She said, why you want to change your baby name and it sounds so nice? I say, because his father said me to change it. She said, okay, but the name so nice though. And I like to name the baby so for purpose. I him beg me. See, I'm on my talks, I'm not sure we couldn't do a DNA test together. You see me? But no, you want the whole social media, no? You send people to bash me when them a bash it two away. Why them a bash it two away? Them a bash me more because I'm a woman. And woman no figure jackets. But them a bash you too. Them a bash you too and you have some people laugh off of you too. And it could have do different. Him pin down the baby pan himself. So if him no know or him no feel like the baby of him, when did I take care of it for? Why social media did have to involve in it? Do it different and a when do and how him do it. And like them no know somebody did have my man, him take from me from my man. Because him did a start come round and me I get to start rate him. Because no man no pass and him no day in my yard. No morning. And we chat, laugh, him still with me here, carry on, go back every fucking thing. Him the over my yard, Rizzo. So we and him, me and him close. Him the over yard literally every day. And all of my friends them know him. All of my friends. So me and him close. Me and him the over yard every day, pan him bike back everything. Till me the pan him bike back and him a teach me for ride him bike right on my yard gate. So I like say me and him no have understanding. And I like say me him a one night stand, he's a one night stand and it happened. Me and him been have sex. Been having sex. And of course me I go vex, of course me I go feel away. Him not the first to get jackets. But if you know say, yo, Ray, all you have to do is just come to me and make me go do it. Simple as that. Cost me, deal with me away, and we deal with it, and the argument done. And enough people deal with it and nobody no know up to now. But no, you want to come on social media for bring me down. You want to come on social media for bring me down when you bring down yourself because you're there where you're there and feel away. Or when you tell people say you don't feel away, I know you feel away because blogger have it everywhere and it could have deal with different. In here when in skill talk on the goal stand give me 95,000 and oh she forgets too much. But if me animal link and if me animal fuck him, I go give me that.
In this case, Skillibeng was one of the people them that was entering her good at the time when her body could have gotten pregnant. So it seems like to me, this is my honest opinion of the whole situation. It seems like they had an arrangement. Enough man said Skillibeng thief where a man girl. Whoa, him thief where a boy girl and breed it. Skillibeng and the girl, see, from what I am hearing now, from her own mouth, they had an arrangement. This was some kind of an entanglement, but it is more of an arrangement.
So I like say, make me stop him from doing what I do. You have to come to me. Better you did make me you go and cuss me. When you find out, rub me out. Me not care, rub me out because you go feel away. But the fact that me never get the DNA test, you know, me never get the DNA test. Him send him mother, him send him father, and him send him grandfather. And as him grandfather here, him grandfather tell the whole girl side. And him sit down and them rejoice because them say me I get enough money for him and me not supposed to get so much money because them begging money and them never get it. Because them here saying baby mother get money. One night him come up a yard, that was before I got pregnant. He come up here and he say, I go got nigger. I turn to him and I say, I nah go so far, I nah got nigger. He say, he nah left me and I say, I not going nigger, I nah got nigger. Anyway, I say, to him about him, I say, alright, I'm going to the yard, I take the back of the yard. I go around the back and take run a back. Show one shortcut, go on the gully and go run on my other man. Because him did know I have my man. I'm telling him not come with him. So I like say him not know so I have somebody to talk to. So you see if him never sure say a theme, all him did have to do a selection, so I'm not sure and we need to do a DNA test. More vex. Me wasn't the first one who gets it. Him send everybody before me. That means him not respect me none at all. And I might be able to. You could have do it and nobody never know. Honestly, you could have do it and nobody never know. Because we could have talked about it. But the fact that me never get the DNA test result, we start move cool. We never give him any jacket for all. He said no sense coming at me and I'm positive. I'm going to say okay. But him did know some of my man. Listen. When me did have my man, I tell him, I make him know some I have my man. And him never care. Him did still come to me. Him did still come over me yard every fucking thing. Every day him come over yard, we flex, run with joke, till we get close. The very first time I find out that I'm pregnant, I text him and I say, Skilly, you know I'm pregnant. He say, no, because he's coming at me. I say, alright. I turn to him and I say, I'm not ready. I go explain myself. Although I know I go get bashed in the same way because we are woman. Yes, fuck that same way. Anyways, when he meet me, he didn't know some other man. He didn't know some other man. And don't get it twisted. So when me and him there, him never boss. Him never boss. When me and him are fuck, him never boss. But the fact that him come at me yard with him come with 6 boy pick me. That means say all of them know him business. Him come with 6 boy pick me. And when him come with them, he friend me up, he talk to me, and he say get the baby ready because I'm gonna spend the day with him. But me I tell us that I know I'm not vex because him do it or how him do it, because I none don't come to me about nothing. When me pregnant, I did have to beg him to allow me out. I have screenshots and I not put it out because me and a little girl. I literally tell him to do not call my phone, and he still call my phone. He still call off my phone. Said, I don't need him in my life. I know say them a go bash me after this, but I don't care. I live my best life. Him find out. Him say him find out so the baby and feel. Although I should have dead here when it happen, I never dead there. So anything can happen behind my back. But anyways, I go after this, I go make a next YouTube channel. I go make a next YouTube video with me and my baby. Yeah, I'm not Chrissy yet, so I'm not ready to show him up. So the next YouTube video I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show him up.
Alright, so after she put out for our side of the story, Skillibeng now, I don't know, I haven't heard Skillibeng come out and say, yes, she gave me jacket and she did me wrong. Maybe he did. But the fact of the matter is that it's in the social media space now. Oh, a big artist like Skillibeng get jacket and dog him did a mind the baby and these kind of things. It could be a laughing matter. You know what I'm saying? Now we talked about this before many times when we talk about the give jacket culture in Jamaica. It is embedded in our culture. Only per man in Jamaica get jacket. Jacket can only be given by a woman to a man because she's the one that has to carry a baby in her womb, birth the baby, and then say who's the daddy of the baby. Because it's her body. She knows when she was having intercourse with whoever, so she have a good idea of who the daddy could be, right? Unless things get complicated and she was having multiple sex partners in that window space of time where she could have gotten pregnant. So when she said that Skillibeng help her name the baby, or Skillibeng did a give her $95,000 a month, or Skillibeng was there for the baby, did a mind the baby, and them did a talk about it when she get pregnant, when she first found out she was pregnant and all that, and he must say him no say him because him coming her and all this. He was saying he knows it's his because he came in her, right? Even knowing what she said, he knew, because she said she did have sugar daddy, and it's not like saying never know. She did have sugar daddy, she did have her man, her main man, so she had a main man, she had a sugar daddy, she had Skillibeng, and she said she did a do road, and she said she did a worker club, and he knows of the things that she was doing to get her money. So that tell me say she did a run the poems red, and him know that. He already know what she was involved in, what she was into and all that. And him still put himself in there. Okay. So in your mind, you should have asked, brother, a DNA test me need. Me not too sure that baby are mine, you know. Baby girl, me could go do a DNA test because you have multiple sex partners and me and you know that. So it could have been anyone away, right? Let's make we go just get a DNA test, get that doubt out the way. She said Skilly never want to do no DNA, him never asked for no DNA or nothing. Him come under Sykes quiet one day, pretend say he was going to spend the day with the child, and actually took the child to go get a DNA test. When him take the child to go get the DNA test, it turns out that the child is not his. Okay, and him did say him want it. As far as what she has said. So how the thing look now? What it look like to you? Leave your comments in the comment section below, because it look like to me that this was an arrangement. And like the girl said, it shouldn't reach social media. So apparently out there somewhere floating around is the actual DNA test paperwork. Somebody take it and put it on social media. Who else did it? Could it be the medical workers at the place that took the DNA test? Or was it Skillibeng himself and his team that put it out there and said, drum up some publicity? If that's the case, then it's gonna look bad on Skillibeng, because you and the girl already know what una did a run. Me not judge nobody. I'm not saying that how she's living was wrong or it was right. Me no say I don't promote that kind of living for a female. I personally think it's a nasty way of living, but me not gonna judge the girl because she have to do what she have to do to survive, and she's doing that. You as a man stepped into that situation knowing what she was doing. I can't take up a girl that is a prostitute or a girl that is a stripper, and then when me here say she sleep with other people, I get mad, right? Or me try bust her out to the public. You already knew. I already know from the beginning what the deal is. May I run a piece, y'all get a piece, and we have a relationship where, like she said, the man they are yard every day. Not a day no pass him not they are yard. Him see me with me here, cane roll back and everything. That before them put on the weave, you know, people. Them usually cane roll it back and everything so the weave sit proper and them kind of thing there. So him see her in a them state there before she's all dolled up and dressed up as somebody where she kick it with, talk, vibes with, make each other laugh and them kind of thing there. And him know, say she have her man. So you was a side man. So Skillibeng was a side man, first of all. And then he was a man that was willing to be with a woman raw, unprotected, that has multiple partners that you know about. I saw the girl say. So if a fear words is right, and I saw the situation actually go, nobody no wrong. A fair game. Talk up in the comment section and tell me if me talk lies or if I'm telling the truth. Let me end the video by saying this though. For those of you who have good man in your yard and you and the man are in a committed relationship where you are wifey, you don't have no understanding that anybody is going out there doing anything. It is you and them. And you give the man their jacket. Them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. You is a wicked girl. And please think about the child, because usually the only person who really get hurt in these situations is the child. The two adult them done seasoned already in rough life when it comes to love life. So they'll happily move on and find somebody else. The child will have to live with, this is mom, this is dad, this is what happened, and I am the product of all that. So fix up yourself. And know, plus a child is going to one day want to know, you know what, I really want to know where my dad is. I don't think I'm my father or something. So to avoid all that, just don't get no jacket. And stop having multiple sex partners at this point. I can't tell nobody how to run them body. Do your thing. I'm out. Peace.